Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Google device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down, then click on Privacy section. Following that, you need to choose Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case, camera. Now tap on one of your apps, in my case, maybe Chrome, and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow only while using the app. So now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go with Location to find Maps app. From here, you need to click on See All Maps Permissions instead at the bottom. And now adjust all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!